So this is Euro Pound analysis for Thursday, the 29th of March. Now, let's just have a look what prices, the way prices may likely go. So here on the Euro Pound, we can see that we've got into a bit of a range here, which is pretty common for the Euro Pound. We've had this move to the upside towards 88, from which we've seen the sell side momentum briefly taking us below this 87.50. We've had a move back up above the 200 period moving average, and again we're at the above the 200 period moving average now. In around where we do have the 200 period moving average, we have a bit of a confluence where we do have the 87.50, a key important level here on the Euro Pound. So if we do continue to maintain a hold above the 87.50, we're then looking for prices to head up towards the 87.83, successful break from which I suppose our previous swing highs in around at 88 could possibly be a area of interest. A successful break from the 88, we're looking for price move towards that 88.20, a more significant level, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. And if we do successfully break from the 88.20, we're then looking for price to head up towards that 88.51, which is a key important level marked out here in red, which we would expect to be the far end range to the upside. Above 88.51, we do have 88.74, but I don't anticipate that coming into focus. If, however, we do break down from this 87.50, we're then looking for price head down towards that 87 level, an area where we previously found support. And if we do break down from this 87, expect the key level of importance, the 86.63, to come into focus. Previously, when we had a sell-off, we didn't quite get down towards that 86.63. We didn't quite get down towards that 86.63. So we'll see if we do break down from this 87, whether we do head down towards a key important level of 86.63. But here on the Euro Pound, those are pretty much the levels that we are looking at here. So if we have a look at the daily chart here on the Euro Pound, get the scaling on here correct. So on this daily chart here of the Euro Pound, we've seen a strong persistent sell-off. We've seen the bullish buy side momentum come into the market, but there hasn't been the degree of conviction that we did see in the sell-off. The candles are larger in the sell-off. In terms of their open to close, so far here on the recovery here on the Euro Pound, again, doesn't appear to be as much conviction based on the open to close. So market does still seem to be waiting for something, whether it's a catalyst. We are in around a 400 period moving average, where we did previously find buy side momentum as well. We're in around that area, as well as a few horizontal levels of importance. So we'll see whether we continue to maintain this recovery, which is somewhat counter to this trend, whether we do have a recovery and see some further sell-off here on the Euro Pound. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.